In this video, we're going to multiply a whole number by a unit fraction. And I'm hoping you can see the colors because I'll be doing this with colors to make it a bit more clear. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 5 times 1/5. So the 5 is the whole number, and of course 1/5 is the fraction. So step 1. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, write the whole number as a fraction with 1 as the denominator. So we could write 5 as a fraction like this. 5 equals 5 over 1. 5 is really the same as 5 over 1. So now we can rewrite the question with 5 as 5 over 1. So we could just put here 5 over 1, which is what we have here, times 1 over 5. Now what happens is we multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. So it'll look like this. 5 times 1 over 1 times 5. So when you have something like this, you basically just extend the division line and put the multiplication on the top and the bottom. Now you just multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So remember to simplify. 5 over 5 is the same as just 1. And that's the answer to this. And this is just the introduction to multiplying fractions with whole numbers. So if you don't get this right away, don't worry. You could just rewatch the video as well. I have links in the description to other videos that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.